To cancel send friend request on Facebook Lite, log into your Facebook Lite app and then click on this friends icon here. Here you see the list of your friend requests that people send to you that you have not confirmed. Beside this friend request here, click on see all, then click on this menu icon at the top right corner here. Below your screen you will see the option to view sent requests, then click on it and you will see the list of all your sent friend requests. You can now click on cancel to cancel the one you wish to cancel. To cancel send friend request on iPhone or iOS, log into your Facebook account and then click on the friends icon at the bottom of your screen, and then you will see the list of all your friend requests that people send to you, and then click on see all. In the next page, click on the menu at the top right corner of your screen, which is beside the search icon. Look at it here, and then an option will appear at the bottom of your screen which is view sent request. So click on it and then you will see the list of all your sent friend requests. So you can now cancel any one of your choice. Cancel sent friend request on PC, log into your Facebook account and then click on this friends icon here, and then here you will see your friend requests, then click on friend requests. So under this friend requests you will see the option here that I'm hovering on, it is saying view sent requests. Click on it and there you will see the list of your sent friend requests. So you can cancel any one of your choice. So that is how to cancel sent friend request on Facebook Lite, Facebook for iOS and on PC. So give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.